My name is Karen and I am from South Africa. I am of Indian ethnicity and today I've come to experience the 19th Western China International Fair. My friends were talking about this and that grabbed my attention because I love to learn about different cultures, especially dance. So I am very interested to know what's going on inside. So why don't you go with me and have a look? Come on, let's go. Beautiful dance of Sichuan. So good. Hi.
Hi.
Do you want me to join you? Okay.
Thank
you.
You're welcome.
To dance with you?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
cool.
I can do,
Sure.
Dunhuang dance.
Zhuhang,
Okay.
Express dance. Yeah, let's go. It's the one leg out. Wow, I can't do that. You are so flexible, so flexible. You know, your dance and my dance is the same.
Okay.
We use the same and it's like almost the same and then dancing, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we go. Wow, what an amazing experience this has been. These beautiful ladies had taught me about their wonderful Dunhuang Asperus flying dance, and some of their dance moves are quite similar to the Indian dance because you dance with your hands and your feet. So I think that you've done an amazing job, and I think that you're so passionate about your dance and the way you move so freely. This is absolutely amazing. So beautiful, your dressing. Thank you. Thank you. So I've just experienced this wonderful dancing here, and I've heard that there are other Sichuan culture pavilions on the inside. Let's go and have a look. Oh wow, would you look at it? It's a 318 route. Interesting to see it right over here. Oh, hello! Thank you. Thank you.
我带您去这个逛一下咱们的这个展馆。Where the yak from Ganzi?
This is yak. Okay.
Yak. The other taste.
This reminds me of some snack from my country in South Africa. We have something called biltong, and it's meat. It's dried meat also. So good, really delicious. Thank you. What a delightful experience it has been here, experiencing the lovely food, drinking the delicious yak milk. I would definitely want to travel again to the western part of Sichuan and experience the Ganzi culture and meeting just the most beautiful and welcoming people. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope to see you again.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, now the ladies have joined in. taking a bottle of our wine home.
Welcome to Liangshan. Can you show around, look our products?
Yes, I'd love to.
Follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
This is good. This is delicious.
It's our intangible culture, heritage. You can try it.
I can try it. Yeah. It's so heavy. He makes all this?
Yeah.
Wow.
You can try.
Oh, I can try? Yeah, because sometimes I do this in my home. Okay, ma.
Very please.
Thank you. 谢谢. So I've come to the end of this wonderful adventure at the 19th Western China International Fair. It's been an absolute pleasure getting to know the local people and experiencing their dance and their delicious snacks. My name is Karen. Until next time, goodbye.